In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how I set up the third brake light on the Can Am. Now originally this brake light was supposed to go underneath here, but I'm going to put it right in here like this. And I'm going to have to get some washers for that. So we're going to put it right underneath. A couple of washers. Now I want to see what this is going to look like a little down more. Actually, that looks nice right there. And here we go. Now I got to put this back where it was. So originally this light was supposed to be mounted on this mount here for the bag, but because the rack is bigger than the mount for the bag, I just mounted it right underneath the rack, and the screws are kind of hidden underneath the mount itself. So I've tapped in black on this accessory plug, and I tapped into the white, which is my positive. I'm going to go ahead and just tape this all up. I'll just take a little zip tie just to hold that tape in place in case it decides to undo itself. All right. So now this, I'll put the cover back on, and this can slide back on here where it was. All right, so that wire runs through the back of this frame, down, then it goes underneath, through, and it's going to go meet up here with the controller. I'm going to glue the controller to the bottom here. There we go. Use one of these to tap into the negative on this one here. Okay. All right. I'm just going to use these to connect these two. All right, put these together. They should have a good connection. Now I'm just going to run some tape on that positive wire just to make sure, you know, doesn't short out on any weird shit. Take a zip tie and just kind of zip tie this all together. There we go. Make sure everything's back where it belongs. We want to take our cover, put that back in place. Caps back in. It's kind of a cheap way to have covers holding on and stuff, but it works. Okay. Seat can go back in place. Put the tether on it. And now to show you what that looks like. I think that should increase my safety on the road. So that's all for today. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you all on the next one. God bless. Take care.